wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best makeup kits for teens. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the BR Deluxe palette uses a sleek compact container with 2 side trays that extend outward. It includes mascara, sponge applicators, and various eyeshadows that can allow children to create bold and creative looks. This one's suitable for young teens, however the colors are not very pigmented and the plastic breaks over time. At number 9, those who care about name brands might appreciate the Sephora collection Igloo Palace. It comes with a wide variety of matte and shiny colors with application instructions, which makes it suitable for those who are eager beginners. It includes brow powder, but it doesn't come with brushes, and it does have a very high price. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Cameo carry-all trunk is suitable for beginners who want a large variety of color options. It comes in an aluminum case with a handle that makes it easy to transport, though it doesn't contain mascara or concealer. It does include a few brushes and 1 compact mirror. However, it's not as high quality as others. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Makeup Kits for Teens, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the ETA Cosmetics Runway is a good compact choice for those who like to take their kits on the go. It comes with a mirror, an eyeliner pencil, and a tray on the bottom that slides out to show powders, blushes, and 4 different shades of lip glosses. It weighs less than 3 ounces and has little to no fragrance, but the case isn't as durable as some others. Moving up our list to number 6, the Bonnie Choice makeup set is a good option for those who need more specific tools in addition to blushes and lip glosses. It offers a brown eyebrow pencil, loose powder, and a liquid concealer that can help cover pimples and other blemishes. This is a 9-piece selection that comes in at an affordable price. However, it is only available for light skin tones. Halfway up our list at number 5, the BR makeup set features a shell-shaped container that comes with mascara, a pencil sharpener, a few applicators, and some other useful tools. It's available in a black or pink case, and each one offers different shades. It's very budget-friendly and includes a good variety of trays. It's suitable for travel. At number 4, teens into drama class and who enjoy special effects will appreciate the Mehron Celebre Professional HD. It features a bruise palette, makeup putty, fake blood, and all the tools for creating a base look for stage performers. There are light and dark skin tone options, and both come with instructions. However, it is an expensive selection. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Shany carry-all train case is made of aluminum and available in a variety of vibrant patterns. It features a plastic tray that can help keep all the included cosmetics organized and that prevents palettes from breaking easily. This one comes with a cruelty-free certification, 32 eyeshadow colors, and a combination lip and eyeliner pencil. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Makeup Kits for Teens, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, those who enjoy shine and glitter might like the Shany All-in-One Harmony. It comes with lots of shimmery eyeshadows, 6 lip glosses, 3 blush colors, and has red corded handles for easy transportation. It includes a square mirror and is not tested on animals. It's best for young teens. And taking the top spot on our list, youngsters who want to learn proper application techniques should take a look at the Maybelline New York NY Minute. It comes with a neutral palette, black mascara, and liquid eyeliner with a thin tip, which makes it easy to apply. It's great for beginners and comes in at a very reasonable price with smoky eye instructions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Makeup Kits for Teens, or simply click beneath this video.